Hello everybody. So here today our topic is ring expansion and ring contraction. So here I would like to say a few words about regarding this ring expansion and ring contractions. So look at this, how they are expanded and contracted with in organic reactions. For example, generally we see iron. సో మనం బ్లాస్ట్ ఫర్నెస్ కొలిమిలో ఒక ఐరన్ పార్టికల్స్ని అంటే వేడి హీట్ బాగా హీట్ చేసినప్పుడు సో దట్ విల్ బి ఎక్స్పాండెడ్. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద రీజన్ ఫర్ సో ఐరన్ వెన్ వీ హీటెడ్ ద ఐరన్ rod so in the presence of heat, so at high temperature, so it will be expanded, and so when it is cooled, when we do not apply the heat, so it will be cooled. Okay, so at the time it will be contracted. సో ఒక ఐరన్ రాడ్ని తీసుకున్నాం, సో బాగా హీట్ చేసినాం, సో ఇట్లా అయిపోయింది. That means here, so when we apply the heat, so it will be expanded like this rod, the very high mass of the rod, it will be expanded like this, straight lines like. So again when it is cooled down, the means expanded rod, so it will cool down, so it will be contracted next one, so it will again get the original position. So this is one type of example for the ring expansion and ring contraction. So here in organic synthesis, so ring expansion and ring contraction, how they are how work on the molecules. So for example, so here expansion means, so when we apply the heat, okay, so it will be expanded, so means size is increases. Okay, so for example here cyclobutadiene to cyclopentane. So here how expanded it takes place, and ring contraction when here cyclobutadiene to cyclopropane, so it is a contraction. So size is decreases in contraction, size is increases in expansion when we apply the heat, when we cool down. Okay, so this is a best example for this. So today class I want to show you some examples regarding ring expansion and ring contraction. Here another example we see, so another example for the gas molecules, how gas molecules are so filled in the container. So here example for this ring expansion and ring contraction. So here gas molecules, so number of molecules are present in the container, whatever that there. So for example, so here gas molecules, when we apply the force on that, so it will be expanded, so contracted, molecules are contracted. So this is for the contracting, ring contracting or molecule contracting, or here, so here molecules are expanded, so they move freely in the container. Okay, so this is the ring expansion and ring contraction, one of the example. So gas molecules, when we apply the force, it will be expanded and contracted also. So this is one of the example for, so here chemical reactions means in organic reactions, so cyclic form, so cycloalkanes or rearranges, so it will produces newly products. Okay, so look at this, how they are filled like this. So for example in ring contraction they are giving like this so ring contraction, for example here cyclobutadiene. So the carbocation is present in outside the ring, and the carbocation present in the inside the ring. So this will be ring contraction and the ring expansion. So telugulo ring విస్తీర్ణం లేదా ring సంకోచం అని అంటాము. So okay, so here carbocation, so positive charge is present outside, it will become ring expansion, and ring contraction means that so the positive charge is present on the inside the ring, so or on the ring. Okay, so that is the ring contraction. So this is the best example for this. So here they given some example, cyclobutane or cyclobuta-carbocation and butyl carbocation. So these are some carbocations are they given. So now we solve this one. First one is they are given, though this is a carbocation present outside. Okay, so here we consider a number, so 1 and 2, so here positive charge and here is partial negative charge. So the bond break in between this, so here bond breaking takes place here, so it will become as so intermediate, formation of intermediate. Okay, formation of intermediate here. and here found a new bond. So this is the intermediate type. So again it will be rearranges, so it will form like this. Okay, the carbocation become inside. So in intermediates it will be happen like this. This unstable molecules gives rise to stable molecules. Okay, so here we consider 1 and 2, naming it the other cycloalkane. So here 1 2 3 and 4 5. So 5 number is there, so it will become as pentane. Okay, this will be this is one of the example for the ring expansion, how expansion takes place. One ring can be break the one bond, so it will become as like pentane. So carbocation will be formed, so more stable molecules than this. So here ring expansion, so cyclobutane to pentane, so it will become as cyclopentane. So carbocation will be formed. So in this is one of the example for ring expansion. So another example we see, so ring so cyclopentane, so pentane to hexane, how will they are formed? So here also same. Okay, here cyclopentane carbocation, so outside is present. So here 1 and 2, so the bond break in between this. Okay, it will form so carbocation, and so newly formation of bond. So here bond breaking takes place between the two. So here 7 electrons, 7 electrons, so it will form like this. So this is an intermediate type. So I will write directly in this. So hexane will be formed. So this is the final product, so from the pentane to cyclohexane. So this is the ring expansion also. So ring is expanded when we apply the heat to the molecules or to the particular reactants. So okay, so this is one of the example for ring expansion. And another example, so it is very difficult to understand because of, so when they are given like this, for example here pentane. Okay, so this is one alcohol. So here, so this is one of the carbocation. This is, so they absorb, so they given, so silver nitrate and aqua. So aqua solution, silver nitrate they are given. So directly here, so when aqua means here water, so water can splits into OH minus and H plus. So here nucleophile is attack on this and directly form alcohols like so pentanol. So that's not correct. So it is very easy to understand here nucleophiles can attack on this. So that is a wrong step. So because when we so break the bond and to formation of newly synthesis, and then that can be so the intermediate can be reacted with a nucleophile to formation of newly product. So that is the correct answer for this. So here, so they given more examples like this. So it is very difficult to understand. So here next one is, so here, so the ring is the carbocation present outside. So this is the example for this one. So here also some shift is there, hydride shift, methyl shift are going on. So here hydride shifts of will be takes place here. So the bond will be breaking this side. Okay, so here some carbocations are formed. Okay, this bond will be formed in this. Okay, so here cyclohexane ring is formed. So here this structure will be formed. So here hydride ions. So here carbocation is there. So this is intermediate and the carbocation. So here when hydride shift, so hydride shift is goes to this side and it will become like this. So this is a more stable carbocation. Okay, so this is the example for the ring expansion. So now we'll see the ring contraction here. So ring contraction means here ring expansion. I want to show you some examples. This for example, so here C1 C4 to C5, C4 to C5 and C5 to C6. So this will be expanded like this. For example, carbon can be expanded so with carbocations. So this is organic, one of the organic synthesis. So here ring contraction here, so C4 to C3, okay, so this is C4 to C3. So how will it become as ring contraction? When the ring contracted means it will be cooled down, size is decreases. So size is decreases for the large molecules when we compare to the large molecules. Okay, so these are one of the example for the ring contraction. So now see the example. Cyclobutane or cyclobutyl carbocation. So it is present on the ring. So it will be expanded. So these are changes, small changes between the ring contraction and ring expansion. Okay. Now it's a basic example. This is so now cyclobutyl carbocation is inside. So it will be break down. So here 1 and 2. Okay. So the bond is breaking in between this. So here and it form carbocation and so the intermediate the bond is formed this between this. So this is the intermediate. So it will be formed cyclopropyl cation. So cyclopropyl cation or carbocation. Okay. So this is become like this. So it will be rearranges and to formation of a cyclopropyl cation. So this is a ring contraction. So ring contraction means so it will be contracted. So ring is contracted means large molecules to so C3 to C4 to C3. So ring will be contracted. So large molecules to small molecules. Okay.